Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition to uncover some of the most powerful superfoods that can help fight inflammation and strengthen your joints. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health issues, including joint pain and arthritis. By incorporating certain superfoods into your diet, you can manage inflammation, promote joint health, and improve your overall well-being. Stick around as we explore these nutrient-packed foods and how they can benefit you. 1. Understanding inflammation and joint health. To appreciate the benefits of these superfoods, it's essential to understand the basics of inflammation and joint health. Inflammation is a complex biological response triggered by the immune system to protect the body from harmful stimuli. Acute inflammation is a short-term process that helps with healing and recovery. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can contribute to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Joint health, on the other hand, is crucial for maintaining mobility and quality of life. Joints are the connections between bones that allow movement and flexibility. They are composed of cartilage, synovial fluid, and other connective tissues. When these components are damaged or inflamed, it can lead to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. 2. The role of diet in fighting inflammation. Diet plays a significant role in managing inflammation and supporting joint health. Certain foods contain nutrients and compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce chronic inflammation and promote overall health. These nutrients include antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. By incorporating anti-inflammatory superfoods into your diet, you can help alleviate joint pain, improve flexibility, and prevent further damage to your joints. Let's explore some of the most effective superfoods for fighting inflammation and strengthening joints. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3s help reduce the production of inflammatory molecules and proteins in the body. They also support the health of the cell membranes in your joints, improving their function and reducing pain and stiffness. Consuming fatty fish regularly can help decrease inflammation, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and promote joint health. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also consider omega-3 supplements like fish oil or algae oil. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin inhibits the activity of several inflammatory molecules in the body, helping to reduce inflammation and pain. Studies have shown that turmeric can be particularly effective in managing symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be as simple as adding it to soups, stews, smoothies, or even making a turmeric latte. To enhance the absorption of curcumin, it's beneficial to consume turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine. 5. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These fruits contain compounds called anthocyanins, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants in berries help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. The high vitamin C content in berries also supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining healthy joints. Including a variety of berries in your diet can help protect your joints from inflammation and oxidative damage, promoting overall joint health. 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These vegetables are particularly high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and reducing inflammation. Leafy greens also contain compounds like sulforaphane and glucosinolates, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Consuming a diet rich in leafy greens can help lower inflammation levels, support bone health, and improve joint function. Incorporate these greens into your meals by adding them to salads, smoothies, stir-fries, or soups. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and almonds are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other anti-inflammatory nutrients. Walnuts, for example, are high in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce inflammation. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also rich in ALA and provide additional benefits such as fiber and protein. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties that help protect cells from damage. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can help reduce inflammation, support joint health, and provide essential nutrients for overall well-being. 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and is known for its numerous health benefits. It contains monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, including oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. Consuming olive oil regularly can help reduce inflammation, improve joint function, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. To reap the benefits, use extra virgin olive oil in your cooking, salads, and as a dressing for vegetables. 9. Ginger. Ginger is a root commonly used as a spice and in traditional medicine. It contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger can help reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and improve joint function, making it beneficial for those with arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Incorporate ginger into your diet by adding it to teas, smoothies, stir-fries, or using it as a seasoning for various dishes. 10. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage known for its numerous health benefits, including its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains polyphenol, particularly epigallocatechin 3, gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Drinking green tea regularly can help lower inflammation levels, support joint health, and improve overall well-being. Enjoy green tea as a hot beverage, iced tea, or add it to smoothies for an antioxidant boost. In conclusion, incorporating powerful superfoods into your diet can play a significant role in fighting inflammation and strengthening your joints. Fatty fish, turmeric, berries, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, olive oil, ginger, and green tea are all nutrient-dense foods that offer anti-inflammatory and joint-supporting benefits. By making these superfoods a regular part of your meals, you can reduce inflammation, improve joint function, and enhance your overall health. Remember, a balanced diet combined with a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and proper medical care is key to maintaining optimal joint health and preventing chronic inflammation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, or if you have experienced the benefits of these superfoods in your own life.